Hey everyone, happy Monday. It is a fabulous sunny day, bright sunny day out today, and I'm shaking things up a little bit. I've got a new listing right here. It is a beautiful house. Oh my gosh, almost 3,000 square feet finished, and we're having an open house today. It's Monday. What? An open house on Monday? Yep. That's what we're doing. It's a wine and cheese open house for the neighborhood of Hunters Glen and also for the public to come by and tour this gorgeous home. 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, half bath also. Big, beautiful, sunny sunroom. Hello. I've got my Remax balloon out here to let everybody know this is where the open house is. I'm super excited about it. It's going to be great fun today. 8019 Fox Hollow in Barnhart in Hunters Glen subdivision. And the open house is from 4 to 7 today. I'm really excited. I hope you are too. This house is definitely drool worthy and you're going to love it. You're going to absolutely love it. Tracy Palmero, Remax Best Choice. Have a great day.